Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rider Pro. Today we're checking out the all-new Honda XR50R, a small but exciting dirt bike designed for young riders and off-road enthusiasts. Let's see what makes this mini machine so popular. Design and styling. The Honda XR50R features classic Honda off-road styling with a compact frame, high front fender, rugged tires, and sporty graphics. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle on trails and dirt tracks. Engine and performance. Powering the XR50R is a reliable 49cc four-stroke engine. It delivers smooth power, excellent fuel efficiency, and dependable performance. The automatic clutch system makes riding simple and beginner-friendly. Comfort and handling. The XR50R comes with long travel suspension, comfortable seating, and a low seat height. These features help new riders gain confidence while enjoying a stable and comfortable ride. Safety features. Honda has equipped the XR50R with strong drum brakes, durable off-road tires, and a sturdy frame to provide better control and safety on rough terrain. Why buy the Honda XR50R? If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-ride, and fun off-road motorcycle for beginners, the Honda XR50R is one of the best choices available. Its legendary Honda reliability makes it a favorite among young riders. Conclusion. So what do you think about the new Honda XR50R? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle updates. Thanks for watching.